Hello, Colette, for card number 2. Well, this card represents action, manifestation, power, self-confidence, clarity, willpower, skill, and creativity. On the other hand, ito rin naman ang card na nagkakaroon ng manipulation, insecurity, poor planning, lack of confidence, and sometimes narcissism. Okay. Ito ang mga bagay na alam mo na capable ka. Pero since sa mga reversed cards, dun ka kailangan magkaroon ng disposal. You remove people, things, or situation that no longer serve you. Kasi dapat tanggalin na natin yung mga bagay na nakaka-stress sa atin para ba magkaroon tayo ng ma-recognize natin yung strength natin and to start moving forward. Kailangan din natin ng rebirth. Kasi alam na natin yung inner calling natin . This is a new phase of your life na meron ka ng eye-opener, redemption. Redemption ba? Kaya hindi natin kailangan ng self-doubt, lack of awareness, or parang we always punish ourselves kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng distraction. So, eto na daw ang moment for self-reflection. Dadating ka na sa significant stage ng journey mo, and I know that this journey may not have been an easy one for you. Kaya, mas mabuti siguro na you try to share your struggles with others para parang ma-let out ba. Kung hindi mo naman kayang i-share yon, parang himayin mo. Kasi, yung mga challenges na yan, it should be taken as an inspiration. So, now is the time to face challenges head on. Alam natin at alam ko rin na meron kang inner turmoil, parang deep-seated fears, worry, parang takot ka to reach out. Pero, minsan dyan tayo nagkakaroon ng anxiety, worry, fear, depression, na parang feeling natin hopeless na tayo at nagkakaroon tayo ng trauma. Well, fear is an awful thing. Kaya, minsan ang hirap para sa atin to reach out for help when it hits. Kasi, yung pride and ego natin tinatamaan dyan. Sometimes, wag mong itago yung grief or sadness mo. Kasi, dyan ka nakakaramdam ng pain inside you. Yun nga, again, you make a journal. Sulat mo. And sulat mo, nagiging therapeutic yan . Tsaka, minsan malakas pa rin talaga ang power of prayer. Hihingin mo lang naman, Lord, please lead me, guide me, protect me. Ganun. And then, it can also help you regain control of what troubles you. And lastly, yung journey kasi natatahakin mo, kakaroon ka ng self-discovery. At doon mo malalaman kung ano talaga yung goal mo sa buhay. Hindi kasi natin pwedeng gawin na kung ano yung sinasabi ng ibang tao, yun yung sundin natin . Siyempre may sarili pa rin naman tayong decision para ma-align ang lahat. Kung nagkamali tayo, hindi na natin mababalik lahat yan para mabura o maayos. Ang kailangan lang natin yung parang pupunta na lang tayo sa tamang paraan para ba mabago ito. And it's going to be a big lesson for us to learn. Okay, so that's it for card number 2. Stay safe, be blessed, and namaste.